It's back with me and Kaylee slime videos. Hey. Okay, so we are doing challenges. Who can make the best burritos right now? Watch out! We both got our hugest favorite fluffy slime, so we might want to do a little.
Well, brown isn't my favorite color, but
My favorite color is blue. Okay, ready? Let's see who could make the best burrito. Ready, set, go. I made a huge burrito. This is my burrito.
This is my burrito.
I actually...
my burrito fell.
Oh no! I don't want any poop in mine.
Ah!
No. No, I got poop in mine. Yeah. Get poop in mine, poop in yours.
Hey.
Hey! Okay, so back to the real slime area. That was just for fun. Just scoot over a little bit. Okay, let's leave it now. Okay. So back to our slime area. This is our slime area.
It's kind of messy.
Yeah, it's not the best slime area, but it's pretty good.
There, it looks like a real slime table.
Yeah, I guess not this. We still have a whole bunch of glue left.
Wait, why do you put cream in?
Guys, I'm making fluffy slime.
Oh. I guess the glue. What color are you going to make?
Purple.
We already made purple. Well, you can do it.
I guess now it's a real slime table. That's good. Thank you. Now we have to make slime on the table. Okay, ready to make some slime on the table, Kaylee?
Hold on. Let me add some color.
Let's just make it white and then what? Color it later. Or not, I guess. Okay, since I didn't put any color in mine. We're making slime on the table. Next, Kaylee.
What?
You had to drop slime on the table.
What? I accidentally.
Well, yeah. You had the tide. I'll tell you when to pour more. We need more, please. Kaylee! You make the hugest messes. A little bit more than that. Kaylee, stop. Just pour it.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm going to go rinse off my hands and the hose. Oh. Looks like a tater tot color. We should name this one Peach. Peach slime.
Princess Peach slime. I'll just comment down what you want us to name it.
And our iron slime
let's just call
more glue.
This is actually pretty cool. What? Iron slime looks like what?
Looks like iron. No, you make some color in there. My poop slime's getting on the table. No.
Actually, all our slimes are on the table. Duh. Our slime is not turning out good. Kaylee, our peach slime is turning out horrible.
Well, at least it's coming off the table.
Yeah, nice. It's better than not coming off the table. My stick is different colors now. Why is slime so hard to get off the table?
I mix it with some light brown.
Next time let's try not to make this on our table. I'll tell you I'm already sweating probably because it's really hot outside though. But still. This one's regular jiggly slime.
Look at my hands.
Why don't you show YouTube your hands? Okay, you can go now. Bye-bye, Kiwi.
I don't know. Does it need more activate? Ugh.
Okay, maybe it does. Okay.
It slipped out like poop.
Okay, maybe this should be named Poop Slime.
I'm not the only one that makes a mess.
Sorry. Let's put some in mine. Grab some and put some in mine. Here, let me. No, okay, no, you're gonna get poop in mine. And it's not gonna be funny. It won't be luscious and beautiful.
Right.
Here, let me get some. No, not the poop, not the poop. Nasty poop.
Can you pause it?
Oh my goodness, I totally forgot about that. Okay guys, so she's gone. Let's mix in this goodness. Yes, we are making it nice and fluffy. Fluffy, beautiful peach slime. Here, Kaylee, we can each have a Princess Peach slime. This was your slime, Kaylee. The slime that was on the table is yours. I made it my specialty way. I love my iron slime. Okay, so back to making our slime. This has to be a super big mess. Kaylee, what did you do with my spoon? What did you do with my spoon and my stirring stick? Oh, found it. Never mind.
Okay. I'm making a swamp again. Want a duck?
Yes, please.
I want it. Go crack it in half. There's like one in the fridge.
Oh yeah, sorry that I wasn't talking. Slime. I meant TV. How pretty does this look?
Chocolate here.
And we have this beautiful, luscious slime that I made. Isn't the color beautiful?
Oh.
I just added a few drops of this slime. Not slime. Why do I call everything slime? Okay.
I'll add it by
That's okay, we are cousins. Oh yeah, me and Kaylee are cousins, so she's my favorite cousin. And some more glue and tide. Oh, this tide is like forever lasting. With the huge, tide, I'm tired of slime. We can only make like one slime. Well, not two.
Imagine if we made enough slime that we filled up the whole like backyard.
That'd be crazy.
Yeah, that'd be cool also.
And there's all this color.
Oh, here's a blue. Forgot it. This is the same color. Yeah.
Yeah. I love. Oh yeah.
Mine's
Can you
in
leave
the
them
table
probably over here?
cracks. Mine's in the table cracks.
I know. There's.
I'll get it because it's poop and it's cracked.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here's the peach one that we just made that I accidentally spilled. The blue one.
Oh yeah, I gave it to you.
Oh, thanks.
One time we were making my luscious, beautiful peach slime.
I'm gonna go get a couple bags.
Okay, just get like 5 or something.
Okay. Got this one.
That's my blueberry slime bag.
Yep.
Sorry, left, guys. I was just singing the luscious, beautiful hands. Okay. Back to the video. On we go. Onward. Okay, so this is 11 minutes already. Yay. Chihuahua. You may not be able to see me that much. That's okay because I gotta fix your hair. So, there we go. Now you can see me.
Bags total. So our slimes won't dry.
How many bags did you get in total?
5.
Oh, okay. Just like I said.
I'm gonna put the peach one in here.
I think the slime should be done soon. My luscious, beautiful peach slime. It's more like a peach.
You mean
pink
princess.
slime, I meant.
You mean princess.
Yeah, my princess peach slime. Since it's like
Get out of my
white.
fingers. Then I'm gonna put my poopy slime in the bag. Want me to put your blueberry slime back in your bag?
Yes, please. It's right under there.
Talk some more.
Oh yeah. So then they don't feel
Like,
you know,
confused or
you're like, what are they doing? Why aren't they talking?
want some more drama.
Okay, this is really getting really sticky, guys.
This Princess Peach color is like stuck to my hands. We'll need to wash our hands after this video or when we're done.
I had like no views, like 4 views, and then, like no likes, except for one because I liked my own self.
Yeah. Why can't we just post it on YouTube? Oh
What?
yeah, you do. But no one likes it. And no one likes it. Check it out.
I mean, I check out my own videos. I have so many YouTubers that I like. I can't name them all. Let's see, Joy Giuseppe. Wait, no. Yeah.
Okay, there's the peach.
There's so many YouTubers I like.
Like which is one of them?
There's like 1,000. I'm not sure. I like Amira. I like almost every YouTuber. Okay, so we're just gonna end it right here, and I'll make a slime part 2. Okay, bye guys. Woo!